Hello and welcome to yet another video on Claude Code presented by your mentor Vivek. 12 units ago, Claude Code was a black box. Today, you know the loop inside it, the workflow that drives it, and the plumbing underneath. This is the finale. Time to turn knowledge into a plan. And let me say this straight. After these 12 units, you know more than most people shipping with Claude Code daily. All that's missing now is mileage and one certificate. First, the map of where you've been. 4 sections, 4 lines. Section 1, you met it. Claude Code is an agent, an LLM in a loop with tools. It reads your repo, edits files, runs commands. Terminal, VS Code, JetBrains, desktop or web. Same brain everywhere. Section 2. First steps. Shift plus tab sets how much rope Claude gets, and the workflow earned its own unit. Explore, plan, code, commit. One habit to rule the course. Section 3. Daily driving. Context is a budget. You compact it, clear it, protect it, and you ship with a sub-agent reviewer, giving fresh eyes before every commit. Section 4. You made it yours. CLAUDE.md for memory. Sub-agents for clean context. Skills for playbooks. MCP for the outside world. Hooks for rules that always run. That's the entire course on one screen. Screenshot it, then let's put it to work. Here's your game plan. Not 10 resolutions, 3 moves, 1 week. Move 1 this week. Clone WorkshopHub, run Claude inside it, and take one real feature through a full cycle. Plan mode first, success criteria written down, sub-agent review before the commit. One complete explore, plan, code, commit loop, end to end. Move 2. The first time you correct Claude twice on the same thing. That's your signal. Open CLAUDE.md and write the rule down. That's how the file is born. Move 3. Add one hook. A post-tool use formatter is the perfect starter. Small, deterministic, and it pays you back on every single edit. Then go claim what's yours. Anthropic's official certificate is free. anthropic.skilljar.com/claudecode101. Watch. Take the quiz at the end. Download the certificate. After 13 units here, you're walking in over prepared. And where next? The SDD Masterclass, the full 54-unit journey where WorkshopHub was born. If a teammate still lives in the chat window, send them Claude 101, Course 1. Subscribe so you don't miss what's next, and I'll see you there. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening, and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.